Hello, everybody. This is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I have an order that came in from Etsy from DarkWoodsSanctuary, a.k.a. Hakes Hollow / Amy. I will have her channel as well as her Etsy store linked in her description box below. And this is a future project. I have something in mind. I have to make a few, and then I'm going to come and show you what you can do with them. Because it's in my head, I just got to do it. And these are the coffee filters that she dyes. They're so gorgeous. And let's see. And at her store, she just loaded a bunch of awesome stuff right now the other day. And let's see if I can figure out what color this is. Let's see. Let's see. A phone my kids? Nope, not a phone. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's go back to all. This I believe is it's the red, or I want to say possibly the coral. So it's gonna be red or coral, one or the two. I think it's the coral because I think I had the red, but it don't matter. It is awesome. Look at how pretty these are, guys. Aren't they gorgeous? I just love them. And awesome. And you get 20 in a pack. So that's, I want to say this is the coral dip. And I know this is, I think, the eggplant. Those gorgeous. She got tags actually in there. Now that I noticed, when I went in to look to make sure I got her channel right. And she got some awesome tags that kind of match these if you're interested. And this is the eggplant. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And then this is purple. I pretty much bought all she had of the colors, except I think one. This is the purple. I just love the tie-dye. Like, my granddaughter loves these. But I want to come up with my own project for them. So, I'm right there. Purple. I don't know if you guys can see these because I'm kind of looking at the store as I'm showing you. So, I don't know how this video looks. I'll go through them again. I just want to tell you the colors. And this one is, I go back and go down. Oh, I was on the right page. This should be the aquamarine, if I'm correct. And if Amy sees it, she can correct me, but I'm pretty sure. I guess I could have looked at the invoice, hey? That'd have been a good idea. Haha. The aquamarine. And then one of these is going to be the pineapple yellow, kind of, in the oh. Lemon yellow. Let's go back to my order so I can tell you exactly what colors I did. Purchase. Come on. Okay. So, this is the red sparkle. Red sparkle. Awesome. This is the aquamarine. Gorgeous. The purple. This is the eggplant. And the two yellows, they're very similar. I'm going to show them anyways. One is called pineapple, and one is called lemon. So, which one is which? Amy probably could tell me, but I couldn't tell you the difference. I guess until I get both out. I think one's One looks a little brighter than the other. So, oh yeah, you can. One's. I think this is the pineapple and this is the lemon. Aren't they gorgeous, guys? So, I have a plan for these, and I'm gonna work it out in my head. And then I got some that I put aside that I got out of the packs. I just have to remember where I put them in my craft room, because I'm gonna also try to use some of them as well. But I will, like I said, I will have Amy, DarkWoodsSanctuary, a.k.a. Higgs Hollow, Amy's channel, as well as her Etsy store, linked in the description box below. And her prices are very reasonable. I only paid $1.25 for 20 dyed coffee filters. So that's pretty cool, guys. So, as always, I want to thank you for watching. Watch for a future video using these, because it will be coming up in the next, probably maybe tomorrow. So, as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now. Bye, everybody.